Welcome to qBittorrent. In this video, I will share with you how to open the qBittorrent on a Mac. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will share with you how to download and install qBittorrent on a Mac. So first, look for qBittorrent on Google, and then you will land on the official website. So go to the download page, and here you will see the app logo. So click on download qBittorrent. This link, you will land on this page. Here there are multiple versions that you can install, but I recommend you to go with the latest one. So click on this, and here you will see multiple files. Click on this one that ends with DMG. As you see, your download will start shortly. Wait a moment, and as you see, the download is completed. Let's open this downloaded file. Here you will see not qBittorrent not opened. Apple could not verify that this file is free of malware that may harm your Mac or compromise your privacy. So what you need to do, click on done, then open the system settings. Click on the Apple logo from this corner, click on system settings, and here you will land on this page, general page. Scroll down to privacy and security, scroll down again, and here you will see the qBittorrent. As you see, the qBittorrent.dmg was blocked to protect your Mac. Click on open anyway. Now click on open anyway a second time. They're asking me for my password because I have password here. And now what you need to do, drag and drop this qBittorrent. My bad, I will redo it. My bad. Now drag this blue icon to this application folder. How to do it? It's simple, just like this, and release it. I will redo it again, but let me remove it from here. So in your case, what you need to do is this. Let's redo it just like that. And this application folder will open up. And if you look closely here, you will see that the qBittorrent is added to this applications folder. Double click it. And for the second time, Apple could not verify that this qBittorrent is free of malware that may harm your Mac or compromise your privacy. Click on done and return to the system settings. You will land from the security tab or page. Below security, you will see that the qBittorrent opening was blocked to protect your Mac. Click on open anyway a second time. Use your password, and just like this, you will have qBittorrent opened on a Mac. And this is how to download and install qBittorrent on Mac. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.